All right, this is David, and I'm here with Jim and Dinah Cooke, and I wanted to have them share an element that pointed to Christ for the season for them.
Well, you've got quite a list here to choose from, David, but out of those items, I think I would choose a highlight because there are 3 or 4 times during the year when our family, close family, extended family, and fringes get together, and Christmas is one of those times. And I get to see not only our kids, 3 daughters and a son, but I get to see their children. And we have graduated one more step. We're seeing the little ones now, the great grandchildren. And so that's a big event for me, an influence throughout the year.
2 of my favorite times of the year are Thanksgiving and Christmas, because all of my children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren come to our house, and we just have a wonderful time. Sometimes we have to share them with their other in-laws.
Oh, yeah.
But we're very blessed.
All right, thank you all for sharing. And I learned a new word from you today. Fringes. You just said fringes, the family and the fringes.
Okay. Yeah.
And I think I'm going to borrow that.
Okay.
Because that's like your friends that are like family.
Yes.
And that does fit, David. Yeah.
So I think I might borrow that.
Isaiah 40 from the Revised Standard Version of your Bible. Comfort my people, says your God. Speak tenderly to Jerusalem and cry to her that her warfare is ended, that her iniquity is pardoned, that she has received from the Lord's hand double for all her sins. A voice cries, in the wilderness prepare the way of the Lord. Make straight in the desert a highway for our God. Every valley shall be lifted up, and every mountain and hill be made low. The uneven ground shall become level, and the rough places a plain. And the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together, for the mouth of the Lord has spoken. John chapter 1, verses 19 through 28. And this is the testimony of John when the Jews sent priests and Levites from Jerusalem to ask him, "Who are you?" He confessed. He did not deny, but confessed, "I am not the Christ." And they asked him, "What then? Are you Elijah?" He said, "I am not." "Are you the prophet?" And he answered, "No." They said to him then, "Who are you? Let us have an answer for those who sent us. What do you say about yourself?" He said, "I am the voice of one crying in the wilderness, 'Make straight the way of the Lord,' as the prophet Isaiah said." Now, they had been sent from the Pharisees. They asked him, "Then why are you baptizing if you are neither the Christ, nor Elijah, nor the prophet?" John answered them, "I baptize with water, but among you stands one whom you do not know, even he who comes after me, the thong of whose sandal I'm not worthy to untie." This took place in Bethany, beyond the Jordan, where John was baptizing.